Hey friends, it's Adam over at Macro Connect, and I want to show you something that's going to help you save time, money, and deliver more value to stakeholders. Now, as a leader, you know that you probably have access to thousands of different data points across multiple platforms. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, you know you need to be making data informed decisions. But accessing all of that data across multiple platforms and getting it into one spot can be really tedious, time consuming, and overwhelming. So that's why Macro Connect is leveraging powerful analytics tools to help you bring all of that data into one spot via customized dashboards. So you can have greater insight into your data, identify problems, and create quick solutions to help you get moving forward. So let me give you a little example of what that looks like. If you look at my screen over here, this is an example of a K-12 organization that wanted deeper insight into three main categories: attendance, discipline, and teacher performance. This dashboard here is showing you the average daily attendance percentages, how many days on average kids are missing via the number of days of schools that have already taken place. Now you can organize this by different school levels with the click of a button. You can even click in and see which teachers are handing out the most absences. And with another click, you can identify certain students who might be at risk. You can see Valentina here has already missed 15 days of school and only 20 days of total school taking place. So it might be time to send a letter home to her parents. If you go to the next dashboard, we can take a look at discipline, right? How are we handing out disciplinary action? We can take a look at that by school. We can also take a look at that by the subtype with the click of a button. We can also see which teachers might be giving out the most discipline with a click, or what types of discipline they're handing out. Now, if you go down to teacher performance, we can take a look and see how our teachers' performance impacting student outcomes. So with a couple clicks again, we can take a look at individual teachers to see how they're performing. And an at glance view, we can see what are the bottom performing teachers and how can we get them on an action plan that's going to help them move forward before it becomes an issue. So this is a small glance into what pulling your data into one spot can do for you. Obviously, I hope you see the benefits to how this can impact your own organization. If you guys want deeper insight into how you can leverage your data and make it start working for you, I want you to reach out to us. We'll do a free 30-minute session where we can identify what are your organizational goals, what data would you like to pull from, and how can we create a customized dashboard that fits your needs. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to having that conversation with you.